Picture this. You're driving home from work, minding your own business, when suddenly someone runs a red light and clips your bumper. Without a dash cam, it's your word against theirs. But with the right dash cam, you've got crystal clear proof that saves you thousands in insurance claims and legal headaches. And right now, during Cyber Monday, you can grab premium dash cams at prices we rarely see all year. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 best dash cam deals available on Amazon that are actually worth your money. So let's dive in. Number 1. ROVE R2 4K Dual Dash Cam. If you're shopping on a budget but refuse to sacrifice quality, this is where your search ends. The ROVE R2 4K is the kind of dash cam that makes you wonder how they're selling it for under $200. You're getting true 4K on the front camera, we're talking 3840 by 2160 at 30 frames per second, paired with a 1080p rear camera that still captures everything you need as backup evidence. The sensor is a Sony Starvis 2, which basically means night vision that actually works. What really impressed us was the 5G Wi-Fi connectivity. Downloading your footage is stupid fast. We're talking 20 megabytes per second to your phone. That matters because when you need to send evidence to your insurance company or police, you don't want to be sitting there for 20 minutes waiting for a video to transfer. The display is a solid 3-inch IPS screen, big enough that you can actually see what you're reviewing without squinting. Now here's the one thing that might be a consideration. This model tops out at 1080p on the rear camera instead of offering 4K both ways. If you're someone who absolutely needs 4K from every angle, this might not be your perfect fit. But honestly, for the price, the 1080p rear is more than sufficient for most situations, and that's where the value really shines. You're not paying premium prices for something you might not even need. Number 2, 70mm A810 4K Dash Cam. This is the one for people who want their dash cam to actually help them drive safer, not just record what happens. The 70mm A810 brings something most budget dash cams completely ignore, genuine ADAS technology, which stands for Advanced Driver Assistance System. The video quality sits at 4K on the front with an HDR-equipped 2K rear camera. The MyColor Vivid Plus processing system is what really sets this apart from competitors. Normal dash cams can look a bit washed out or too contrasty. This one maintains natural, balanced colors no matter if you're driving in bright sunshine or overcast conditions. One thing to consider, while the ADAS features are fantastic, they do require calibration when you first install the camera. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes of driving at highway speeds to set up properly. Some people find that slightly annoying. Also, the alert sensitivity can feel aggressive at first, though you can adjust it down in the settings. The electrostatic sticker installation is genius too, no sticky residue that destroys your windshield. Comes off clean whenever you want it, which beats traditional adhesive tape by miles. Road & Track gave this their recommendation for quality video without blowing your holiday budget. And that's exactly what you get. The value proposition is genuinely strong here. Number 3. VIOFO A229 Pro 4K HDR Dash Cam. We're moving into premium territory here, and the VIOFO A229 Pro is where things get serious. This is the camera that the people who actually care about dash cam quality choose. We're talking about professional-grade stuff, not gimmicks, just genuine engineering excellence. You get 4K on the front with a Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor, paired with a 2K rear camera using an IMX675 sensor. Both are professional-tier cameras, full stop. The HDR Night Vision 2.0 is hands down the best we've tested in this price range. It's not just brighter, it's smarter. The technology balances shadows and highlights in a way that makes everything visible simultaneously. License plates stay sharp even in complex lighting conditions. You can actually read street signs. The 140-degree front and 160-degree rear lenses don't miss anything. Now here's the thing. At $239, this is a significant step up in price. Some people might look at that and think they should just grab the ROVE instead. The honest answer is that you're paying for measurably better image quality and more robust engineering. If you're doing long road trips constantly, or you live in an area with lots of accidents, this investment pays for itself the first time it saves you in insurance claims. Check the full specs and current pricing, link in the description. Number 4, VIOFO A329S 4K 60 FPS dash cam. This is where we're talking about technology that literally didn't exist a year ago. The VIOFO A329 is the first and still basically the only dash cam that records 4K footage at 60 frames per second on the front camera. Why does that matter? Because 60 frames per second means smoother motion, better detail capture of fast-moving objects, and crucially, when everything is moving fast, like highway driving, your license plate recognition stays sharp. You're not getting motion blur. At 60 frames per second, you're capturing the world the way your eye actually sees it moving. Now, here's where this gets wild. The Wi-Fi 6 technology. That's the newest Wi-Fi standard, and this is literally the first dash cam using it. Download speeds hit 30 megabytes per second on 5 gigahertz. That means a 1-minute 4K video transfers to your phone in under 10 seconds. Or plug in via USB 3.0 and hit 55 megabytes per second. The consideration here is straightforward. This is expensive. At $289 on sale, it's competing with entire budget camera bundles. You're paying for cutting-edge technology that you might not need. If standard 4K 30 FPS at a lower price point is genuinely sufficient for your needs, you don't need this. Check the full specs and current pricing, link in the description. Number 5. WOLFBOX G840S 12-inch 4K mirror dash cam. This one's different because it's not just a dash cam, it completely replaces your rearview mirror while adding professional-grade recording. You're looking at a 12-inch curved 2.5D screen that becomes your mirror, showing both front 4K and rear 1080p footage simultaneously in a split-screen layout. Installation replaces your existing mirror, so it's actually cleaner looking than having a separate camera mounted somewhere random. The 170-degree front and 160-degree rear lenses eliminate practically all blind spots. When you're parking, you've got backup camera grid lines with 3 levels of adjustable sensitivity. Reversing suddenly isn't stressful anymore because you can see exactly what's behind you in real time. The WRD and HDR technology handles varying light conditions beautifully. The 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi and GPS tracking work identically to other quality dash cams. Your location and speed get logged. The 24-hour parking mode means if someone hits your parked car, you've got footage. The time-lapse mode optimizes storage when you're not actively driving. The included 32GB micro SD card gets you started, and the magnetic adhesive mount is simple and clean. Check the full specs and current pricing, linked in the description. You've got 5 genuinely different options here depending on what matters most to you. Check the links in the description to find the latest prices and grab these deals while they're live. Thanks for watching.